Meet Bob. Bob is a salesman at a car dealership. He's married with 2 kids and a dog. He's also the car dealership's star salesman. The secret to his success? Clarity Cellular. Bob uses this groundbreaking technology on his own smartphone to allow him to make calls and texts on just one phone, choosing between his dealership line and his personal line. Now he's available for his customers no matter where he is. He could be test driving a vehicle with a client. He could be in the park walking Fred the dog. Or he could be watching his favorite show. But most importantly, he never misses a call. Here's how Bob does it. He installs the Clarity Cellular SIM or eSIM by just following a few simple steps. Then he can easily switch between his personal and business lines with the touch of a button. When his son, Little Ted, rings for a ride to the baseball game, he's available. When his customer calls to make an appointment to see a car, he's available. Bob can make business calls and send text messages while displaying the dealership number. No downloads, no logins, no reliance on LTE data. With his desk phone in his pocket, he's ready for anything. Bob is enjoying all the features of a desk phone: call routing, call transfer, recording, call queue, and analytics, all while being fully mobile. And did we mention he never misses a call? One phone, 2 lines. So if one day Bob decides to retire to the beach, his book of business is easily reassigned to someone else. Bob's boss is happy too. Why? The dealership team is FTC compliant. He's saving money because he doesn't have to buy a smartphone for each employee. And he has a record of all business conversations via text and phone to be passed along to the new employee. So if Bob leaves, the customers stay. Oh, and did we mention? Bob never misses a call.